Thanks for logging on to the Beamish Blogcast on this Veterans Day. I want to take a moment to thank our servicemen and women, past and present, for defending our freedom. Of course, we don't want to forget those who paid the ultimate sacrifice. We owe so much to you, veterans, today and every day. We salute you. The weather map across the lower 48 this morning looks a little more like Christmas than Veterans Day. At the 9 o'clock hour, 65 in Tucson, 4 in Billings, 8 Rapid City, South Dakota, 13 in Denver. Denver 24 hours ago was 49 degrees warmer. It's not hard to find where the cold front is. Just passed through Chicago. It's heading towards Cincinnati, Nashville, New Orleans, and Atlanta as the Polar Express continues to chug eastward. Still dealing with a little bit of snow out there on your Veterans Day up in the upper Midwest. The UP of Michigan, 2 to 3 feet of snow as we're heading into the next couple of hours here. Meanwhile, Minneapolis, St. Paul, the snow is over with for you, but St. Cloud, just to the northwest of the Twin Cities, my alma mater, St. Cloud State University, measuring 12.1 inches of snow yesterday. That is a daily snowfall record for November 10th. So what's locking up the weather pattern here? We have high pressure over the west coast. That's flanked by 2 very strong areas of low pressure, one in the Gulf of Alaska, another one by Hudson Bay, and the weather pattern is not going to change all that much. The reason being, we're in this pattern known as the Omega Block. That's when you have a trough to the west, a ridge sitting over the west coast, and then to the east of that, another strong trough, and the upper air pattern looks a little bit like the Greek letter omega. So when we get in this pattern, the forecast stagnates, and that's what's been happening the last week, and that's what's going to be happening over the next 7 to 10 days. Case in point, your News 4 Tucson extended forecast. We're talking upper 70s to low 80s this afternoon through Monday of next week. Overnight lows, low to mid 50s. Average high for this time of year is in the mid 70s. We still don't have that in our 7-day forecast for the next 7 days and maybe a little bit beyond. Thanks for logging on. Enjoy the warmth. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.